Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, we can burn modules, computers, and that can end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know about that? It happened to us back in the day. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Now, if you guys have a Dodge vehicle, Jeep, Chrysler, all these vehicles are made by the Stellantis Corporation, guys, or it used to be Daimler Chrysler back in the day, but they're built by the same company. And if you have one of those, you wonder, do I have to register program car battery after I replace car battery? We'll explain that in this video today, and we'll talk about common mistake people make when replacing car battery that can destroy your electronics and cost you thousands of dollars in repair. So let's explain what it is. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. Guys, you can find information about almost anything you can think of. And we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, we'll demonstrate on this Dodge Challenger. Many vehicles will be that way. We'll demonstrate on other ones too. Please make sure you stay until the end. Now guys, if you have problem where you have to disconnect the car battery or replace car battery, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. You wonder how we know about that? It did happen to us when we first started working on cars. We burned traction control and ABS module on Mercedes C-Class that cost us $2,000 back in the day. Substantial amount of money even nowadays. Now, we will put a link to a video in the description of the video below that will teach you which battery terminal to disconnect first, reconnect first, check it out, and you know what to do. What we'll be using here, guys, let me show you. We'll be using that Scanner X2. This is amazing tool, guys. It's a Bluetooth tool, and we're going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. It can pay itself off in one-time use. You can do almost anything you can think of with that tool. So you will need to go ahead, come and find your USB port, which in most cases is underneath the vehicle, guys. So if you come right here, okay, let me show you. Okay, we're going to come now right here, okay, and that's a port right there. Actually, it has a flashlight on that device, which makes it super convenient, guys. Okay, if you press on it, perfect. Now it's connected, guys. The next thing that you need to do on your Dodge Jeep Chrysler vehicle, get inside. If you have the push start button, do not press the brake pedal. Have the key inside. Go ahead, push that button twice to run position, and you will get all the lights on, just like that one. Next, guys, we're going to go to special functions. In special functions, we're going to select BMS Reset. That's the battery monitor sensor reset. Here we go to American vehicles, and we first select Dodge. Under Dodge, guys, here, what do we have? Okay, let me check it now. Okay, here it's communicating now, establishing connection. And you can do automatic selection by VIN number or manual selection. You select your year. Ours is 2016. For 2016 we have only the Caravan that can register battery. 2017 as well. All the way to 2019 only the Caravans has battery. 2014 you have Avenger, Caravan and Rotan. 2030 Durango as well. You can see 2012 you need to register batteries for all these vehicles. 2011 almost the same thing. 2010, guys, you keep going that way. You can see that's when it was owned by Daimler Chrysler, so actually more Mercedes implemented that function. If you have a Chrysler now, if you go to the American, you go to Chrysler here. Okay, let me show you now. If you have a Chrysler, which vehicles will need to be programmed. Okay, we're going to see now. So here, manual selection, the Grand Voyager, Town and Country. You can see practically the minivan, guys, will be the only one. Until you practically probably go until Sebring 2014 will be, okay, some of the other ones. Here you have the PT Cruiser 2010, you will need to register the battery on it too. And 2006-7 is the PT Cruiser. If you guys have a Jeep vehicle under American, we go to Jeep. Now again, like, there will be not too many probably. We're going to see that now in a second. Okay, let's go ahead and close the door because that ding donging thing is getting a little bit annoying. Perfect, manual selection, we go to years, and for Jeep we have the Patriot 2008-19, 2019 is the Wranglers, Compass and Patriot. The same thing for 16 and 17. 2015 they are the Liberty. So those are the models that we have. We'll need to have battery. Okay, the battery program, Grand Cherokee is added 2013 here, and practically those are, guys, okay, the only ones right here, so you can see them by years. That way you know whether you need to program or not program your battery, guys. But hopefully the video will be helpful. If you don't need to program it, you just replace it with a good battery. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.